Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today I've come with the much requested eggless Christmas cake or eggless rich fruit cake. This is a very easy recipe and the cake is super soft and moist. It is very delicious. You can see how the slice of the cake is without crumbling. Very soft. Let us see how to bake this easy eggless rich fruit cake. The first step is to caramelize the sugar. For that, here I have taken 4 tablespoons of white sugar in a pan and heat it. No need to stir it. Just allow it to melt and become brown in color. We'll just mix in the unmelted sugar and see the color has changed to deep brown. Add 4 tablespoons of hot water little by little and stir it well and make it into the caramel syrup. It might harden a little, but it's okay. Stir it and make it into a thick syrup and let it cool down. Let us take the dry ingredients. 250 grams of all-purpose flour. Into that 1 teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of baking soda, 1 heaped teaspoon of spice powder. In this I have taken nutmeg, cinnamon and cloves in equal quantity and powdered it. Mix it well. Into this add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 100 grams of butter. I've cut the butter into pieces. And now let us rub in the butter into the flour using our hands so that each particle of the flour is coated with butter. This will make the cake soft. Now the flour and butter is mixed well and it has become a sand consistency. Into this we'll add sugar, 100 grams of sugar. I have taken 50 grams white sugar and 50 grams of jaggery powder. Powdered both together. Mix it well. And now here I have taken 450 grams of dry fruits and 50 grams of toasted cashew nuts. The dry fruits I have taken soaked fruits. You can soak it if you have soaked fruits, you can use that. Otherwise, you can soak it in fruit juice for around 2 to 4 hours and use it. Here I have used mixed fruits. I have shown what all fruits I have used in the fruit mixing video. Now we have mixed everything together. Let us take the wet ingredients. Here I have taken 250 ml of milk and into that 2 teaspoons of vinegar and mix it well. Into the flour and fruit mixture, let us add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and add in the milk and vinegar mixture. And the prepared caramel syrup. It is the caramel syrup that gives our cake the nice deep color. Now let us mix in the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients together using a spatula. It is so easy to make this cake. Now our batter is ready. Here I have taken a 7-inch cake tin. Grease it and line it with butter paper. I am using 2 layers of butter paper because since the batter contains a lot of sugar, it might turn brown. And also cover the outside with a thick butter paper, thick layer of butter paper, and let us transfer the cake batter into the prepared tin and bake it at low heat at 160 to 170 degrees Celsius for around 50 to 60 minutes. Depending on your oven, the temperature might change. Let us bake it. Now the cake is beautifully baked. Allow it to cool down and then remove it from the cake tin. If you're new to my channel and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Press the bell icon to receive notifications of my new videos. Thank you. This is such an easy recipe and the cake is so soft and moist. Please do try the recipe and please let me know how it turns out. If you like my video, don't forget to press the like button and give your suggestions and feedback about the video in the comment box. Your likes and comments inspire me to do more. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe.